Hello, hi, and namaste to my dear students. I hope you all are fine over there, right? So, student, today we are going to learn about order pairs. So, have you heard about the order pair? I hope you have already heard about it, right? So, student, we are going to have a short discussion on it. Okay? So, first one. Have you looked over here? See here? It's birds, nest, lion, den, dog, kennel, horse, stable. This means these animals and their homes can be written in a pairs. We are going to write their pairs. How to make a pair? Now, let's have a look on it. I'm going to write it and show you, okay? So, first one, let's make a pair. This one is the first pair. Bird, they lives in a nest. So, write down bird, birds and nest. And in the middle, there must be a comma. Done? Birds, they live in a nest. Right? So, birds, comma, nest. Then after, lion, then dog, kennel, horse, stable. So, student, this which you used to practice in previous classes, right? This one we call it as a order pair. So, in this pair, the first member is always the animals, because I'm talking about animals and then their living place, right? Animals and their homes. So that's mean animals always write in the first member and their living place, their home is written in the second place, in second members, right? They are the second place. So animals and homes are in a fixed order. So that means we have written the animal's name and their home name in a fixed order. So they are known as a fixed order. So such pairs are known as a ordered pair. Okay, student. So these pairs are known as a ordered pair. So like this, let's have a look for the next question over here. What is there in next question? Okay. Now you have to make a order pair according to the 5 Asian countries with their capitals. Okay, will you make a order pair of 5 Asian countries with their capitals? Let's make it. Please start in your notebook to make it. Okay, first one is what? Nepal, and its capital is Kathmandu. Let's go on writing on it over here. Okay, see here, it's Nepal, then comma, please put comma, and Kathmandu, bracket close. Then after next order pair, India, comma, Delhi. Just like it, go on making, because we are making in a order pair. Everything you can just write in the format, okay? Okay, now Nepal, the capital city is Kathmandu, India, Delhi, China, Beijing, and then Japan, Tokyo, Thailand, it's Bangkok, and there must be comma in middle. Done, students? So that means it's a order pair. 5 different Asian countries with their order pairs. So this means we have to write in their fixed order. Done? I hope you can write it like this way. You can complete this type of exercise and you can see in your book also. Okay, so you can search in your book and please keep on practicing on this type of order pair. Now, students, after this, I hope you have your square paper or a graph paper at your home. Do you have? I hope you have, right? So let's have a short look for the graph paper. Have you noticed over here? It's a graph paper. Okay, so we are going to learn from the graph paper. Over here, have you noticed this one line showing with the arrowhead going upside, and one is going from downside, right? This one. Okay, then what we call for this one and what we call for this one? Let's have a look. Okay, this moving from point. This is the joining point of this arrow and this arrow, the joining point or middle point, midpoint, right? This is written as a O, original point, origin point, O. And here we used to write here X coordinate and here as a Y. This is the X side and this is Y side. Okay, X coordinate and Y coordinate. So over here, we are going to discuss about, I just plot a point over here, then you need to write, okay, in which orders it will be fall out. Okay, so let's have a look. Before that, you must need to write here the margin. Okay, first one, let's write it from down one. First one is square line. Have you seen this one? It should be written as 1. If this is 1, this is also 1. If it's 2, this is 2. It's 3, then 3. It's 4, then we can make it 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's make it up to 11. Let's see here. 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, now it's these square box. They all are the square box. Okay, and that one square box contain 1 square centimeter. So you can make it. It's of about centimeter. Okay. So student, I'm going to plot a point over here. Okay. Now have a look. I'm just writing the name of the point also. A, B, C. Now the main job is there. Okay, students. Let's see the line. This line, actually the line which go at downside. This straight line. Have you seen this one straight line over here? From here to x coordinate, right? From OX, this OX line we call it as a horizontal line. Okay, and this going to the upward side, jumping upward side 0 to Y, we call it as a vertical line. Done? Okay, so student, while we are going to count the fixed point of the ABC, then first you need to go downside, that means horizontal line. First you have to move to the horizontal side, then after you have to see upward side, that means it's a vertical side. Done? Let's go to the horizontal side first. See here student, this point A, where it will falls, where it will lies, see, in place of 3. First we have to go in this side, right? It comes in place of 3. So write down here 3. First, then put a comma. Let's see upside. Let's go to upside. See, count it from here. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step. See here, it falls in place of 4. Then write here 4. These are these point are known as the coordinate point or a fixed point. Can we write it like this way? So I hope you can write of B also. Can you say me? Where does it lie? B, point B. Okay, please write down. B, it will fall out. Let's count it. Above of 6. Can you see here? above of 6 and equals to 7. So you have to write 6 at first and then 7 at back side. Done? Okay. Then after, let's write the point of C. Okay, right here C. C also same thing. Let's have a look. C slowly, see here. From here C falls at place of 9. Going at upside. Again it will come to the 9, point of 9. So you have to write it. C lies in the point of 9 and 9. Done? Have you written? Okay, that means this dot show the position of their order pair of the numbers. Can you see this dot show the order pairs of their position, order pair. Done? Position 1's order pair. Okay, then after I'm going to show you next picture over here and you have to find out the order pair of that picture and represent that vertices. Okay, according to the vertices you have to write the answers over here. Now see here student, there is one triangle. So the triangle name is A, B, C. They are the vertices of the triangle. Now you have to find out the vertices of a triangle and their order pair. So will you write the order pair of according to the vertices of the triangle? Okay, first of all please write down vertices as A, B, C. Now their order pairs you need to write. Okay, now first one is A. See here, A is here at this point. So check the line of these vertices of A, where it falls down. First of all at 4. See here 1, 2, 3, 4. Above of the 4 it will goes and related with 8. So 4 and 8. Vertices of A is 4 and 8. 4 and 8 is the order pair of that vertex A. Now for the vertex B, same like here, vertex B, it comes first of all in 1. In place of 1, then it will jump up to 5 place. See over here it's jump up to the 5 place. So you have to write the vertex 1 place. Order pair is 1, 5. Same like this. Let's write the order pair of C. Vertex of C. C is here. Now check it out. It's move first of all 5 place and it will be jump up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First of all going to the 5 step forward and jumping up to 5 step up. So 5 times it's a 5, 5. Done. So these are the order pairs of the vertices A, B, C. Done student. So we can write it like this way. I have next question for you as well. Can you do that one or not? Let's have a look for the next picture. Okay, now for this quadrilateral. So please write here P, Q, R, S. Now can you find out the vertices of P, Q, R, S of this quadrilateral with the order pairs? Let's find out the order pairs of these vertices with the vertices of quadrilateral. Okay, first of all, what you have to do? You need to write the vertex name of quadrilateral. Okay, so first one is P. Let's start with P. Now tell me what is the order pair of the P? Where it lies? At the place of 6 and jump up to 8. Can you see it? 6 and 8. So please write here 6, 8. Done. Then after 6, 8, let's see P after. Let's write the vertex Q. Q in the place of 3. Let's go first of all 3 and jump up to the place of 6. 3, 6. 3, 6. Done? Good. Then after P completed, Q completed. Now it's time for the R. R, where are you? Here. See? R. You have to move first of all for the 5 times and go up for the 4 times. So you have to write here 5, 4. Same like this. Let's write the vertex of S. S. First of all, go to the side of 8 and then go upside at 6. As it's 8 and 6. Now students, have you noticed over here? This first side is the coming from the X coordinate and second side is coming from the Y coordinate. That means first of all we have to count for the X side and then we have to go for the Y side, Y axis. This is X axis and this is Y axis. You have to draw, while you are drawing in the graph, you have to write it X axis and Y axis as well. Okay. So, I hope you understand this one. First of all, you have to go for the X axis side and then after you have to go for the Y axis side. So, student, I hope you can solve this type of question. Right? Now, from the adjoining figure, okay, from the adjoining graph also, the order pairs of a number I will provide to you over here. Okay, then you have to draw that type of points in your graph. Then let's do over here. Before that, I just want to say you something. See here, watch over here. 6 and 8 is there, right? So, sometime it also called it as a 6 means 6 unit and 8 means 6 unit moving horizontally. 6 units moving horizontally and 8 units moving vertically at upside, jumping at upside. Runs away also it will say and jump also it will say. Okay, please try to match it, relate it. Okay, so 6 units moving to the horizontal side and 8 units moving to the vertical side. Vertical means going upside. Done? I hope you understand this one. Now it's time to write or find out the point where that order pairs will be located. Okay, so let's have a look for this next point. Now students, here is the question for you. You have to plot the point in your graph. Plot the point in your graph according to the order pairs given with the set, or we can say it as with the point A, B, C in place of a point A, B, C, D, E. So, can you plot the point over here? Let's plot the point, okay. What is there in first question? There is A having 2, 3. 2, 3 means 2 units and 3 units. Let's plot the point. 2, where is 2? Here is 2, right? We have to go first of all 2 units at downside and then we need to jump for 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Let's plot a point over here and write the point name as A. Have you written? Same like this. Second one, P number, what it is said? 1 times you have to go forward. And then we have to go 5 times at up, jump at up. 1 time here, 5 times here. Jumping for the 5 times, it's B. Okay, then C. Right, there is 6, 4. Moving first of all to the 6th side. Then after you have to jump for the 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's plot a point and write down here C. Then after D, moving 3 times straightly at front and then jump for the 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, here is 7. So, can we make it here? Can we plot a point over here? Okay. 3 times 7. Moving 3 steps forward and jumping further 7 times. And the point name is D. So, last is E number. What is there? 4, 8. Moving towards 4 units, jumping further 8 times. Let's jump it further 8 times. So, where is E? This is the point E. Can you write it like this way? Yes. So, A, V. Can you see the point over here? See here? A, B, C, D, E. These are the points which you are plotting just now. See, you have to plot this type of questions. You need to plot the points according to the x-axis and y-axis. Okay. Always you have to think that the number which come at first, they are from the x-axis, and the number which always come in the second place, then they are known as the y-axis. Okay, students. Now, same like that, I have next questions also. Before that, I just want to say you something. In this adjoining graph, OX is called, in this adjoining figure, OX is called x-axis and OY is called y-axis. You know it, right? So, the square room along x-axis is in row and the square room along y-axis are in columns. This is row, we call it, this is the row and this is the column. Done? Okay, student, that means row always come along with the x-axis and that column always come with the y-axis. Can we make it clear? Can you write it? So, according to this question also, you can easily identify it, okay? Always the number come in the first, 2, 1, 6, 3, 4. These numbers are known as it's moving towards x-axis and then the number 3, 5, 4, 7, 8 coming at back side. It will come in the y-axis. So, they are also known as the row and column. So, can we do it like this type of questions at your home? Okay, students, I hope you will check and practice on this type of questions. So, we are learning about order pairs. I hope you can I hope you can do well in your graph paper. Please sharpen your pencil and write it nicely in your graph paper. Okay? Please keep on practicing and be good at your home. Thank you so much.